So today we are going to be doing my Allure beauty box unboxing for the month of July. And I do have a referral link below if you would like to sign up to receive the Allure beauty box. If you join, you get $10 and I get $10 as well. So if you're just here to see what I got in my box, then please keep watching. Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Under Eye Balm, Malin and Goetz Dark Rum Perfume Rollerball, YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer, Byroe Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask, Flannerie Water Lily Pore Refining Exfoliator, and Nativa Spa Rosé Body Lotion. So if that was all you were here for, please leave a thumbs up before you head out. But if you want to know more of my thoughts on these products, then definitely keep watching. Okay guys, so the Tula Under Eye Cooling Balm, I did try this a little bit today for the very first time, and I did notice on the box here, it says that you can wear it under or over makeup. I'm not sure if I would ever apply this over makeup. That just doesn't sound like something I would do. I feel like the makeup would just cake it up, and then I feel like it would just run and smear like the makeup and stuff. I don't know how I feel about that. But I did use it under my makeup today, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't really feel like I noticed anything cooling about it. It does retail for about $38, which is pretty expensive, but I don't know, I just didn't really notice that much about it or anything. I mean, I'll probably continue to use it just because I have it, and I know that Tula is a little bit more of an expensive like skincare brand, but I just don't really feel like this is a product that would do that much for me. So I'll give it a go and I'll try it out, but I don't know, it might be one of those things I just like use to like just use it. So the next thing that I got is a perfume roller ball, and I have gotten a perfume roller from this company before. This is the Malin and Goetz brand, and last time I got the strawberry one. This one is called Dark Rum, and I was thinking it was gonna kind of like smell like alcohol-y, but it really doesn't. It actually smells quite nice and I really like it. It says, if dark and stormies remind you of summer nights, this perfume oil with notes of rum, sweet plum, and bright bergamot will be a nostalgic hit. It's inspired by that of classic sailor's favorite, bay rum, with a sweetly crisp finish that makes the overall effect sparkling, not boozy. And that is very true. It does not smell alcohol-y, but it does kind of have that like plummy, citrusy kind of scent to it. So this one, I actually really like the scent of it. But for me, I almost feel like this leans a little bit more towards like fall and winter as far as like the scent goes, but I do really like the scent, so I'm glad to have gotten this one. Next up, when I opened the box for the first time, this was what I saw first, and I was like, what did I get? Because I was really excited. It is another YSL product. You guys know I really love the lipsticks that I got in several of the first Allure beauty box, which is what got me to sign up. This one is a small sample of the Blur Primer, which I did try today. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I don't really know if I noticed anything as far as what it did. I do like the packaging of it, and it does have like really teeny tiny like little gold sparkle flecks in it, but I didn't see any of that on my skin when I applied this. And this one is actually like a smaller size, so this one is about $18.67 worth of product. The full size is $56, and this is a 10 milliliter sample size. I will definitely use this just to use it and because I have it and it's like real bougie and all that, but I don't really know if I really like the product or not. I mean, I applied it under my foundation today and I guess it looks fine, but it didn't really do anything that noticeable. But I was really excited to get this in my box because I was like, ooh, something bougie is in there. Would have been crazy if that was full size one though. That would have been completely unbelievable. This is probably the product I'm like the most like about, just because number one, it is so small. This one is only 10 milliliters of product, but the full size of this, you guys, retails for $142 for a 65 milliliter. That is ridiculous because that makes this teeny tiny little sample about $21.85 worth of value, which that's just unbelievable. It says, use this before bed in place of your usual nighttime moisturizer whenever you're looking for extra hydration. I will use this tonight just to like see what it's about. It'll be interesting to see. The texture is kind of like a gel kind of texture. So, I mean, I'll definitely try this out, but honestly, you'll probably get like a week's worth of use out of this and then it's gone. Then next up for the Flannerie Water Lily PHA Pore Refining Exfoliator. This one retails for $52. I have to say it's not that big of a product though, especially for the price tag of it as well. I'm sure eventually I will get to it and use it, but I am so far behind on skincare stuff. I'm not that really excited about this. I'm sure it'll be okay and it'll be nice and I'll use it up and it'll be fine, but I just can't imagine it being something that I just have to have. And then finally, the last thing was the Nativa Spa Rosé Replenishing Body Lotion. So this one is, the full size is 400 milliliters and it retails for $29. So the size of this one is 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters, which makes it about $2.18 worth of product. So this one is just like a body lotion. What's so amazing about it? It says this creamy body moisturizer leaves skin feeling soft and smelling amazing, infused with quinoa oil and a fruity aroma. Ooh, okay, so let's see what the scent is because that kind of piqued my interest now. I do love a fruity scented things. Let's see. Ooh, it does have a very nice scent. It smells very familiar and I can't place my finger on it. I also have like a little bit of perfume on me, so I'm trying to like not mix that. Yeah, it smells nice. It's just like a really kind of like soft, rosy scent mixed with something else. I can't quite place it. It smells quite nice though, but I'm sure I'll go through this pretty quickly. Maybe I'll put this in my purse and it can be like a little hand cream or something just to have on me. But yeah, that is everything that I got in my box. So the actual total value of my box this month was $168.70. So overall though, as far as how I would rank this box, I would probably give it like, kind of between like a C+ and a B-, maybe a C+. Let's give it a C+, that feels good. The only thing that I was like initially excited about was the YSL primer, but now that I kind of like had it and tried it and like kind of demystified it a little bit, it just doesn't really seem like it's gonna be anything that crazy of a product. So as far as everything that I got, I guess the thing I'm most excited to have gotten is the perfume oil, just because I love perfume so much and I like trying different ones. So I feel like this is the product I'm most excited about. So overall, I just kind of, I don't know, it just wasn't another like wow kind of box. Like of course the very first one I got with the YSL lipstick, like that one was great. The one that I got the Charlotte Tilbury product in was great, and I think I also got the Grande Lash in that one too. That box was great, but there's been a few like kind of like kind of dud boxes, or you know, nothing that's just that like exciting. Like there's not really a standout star product, and once again I kind of feel like the YSL product was supposed to kind of be the star product, even though technically I think the Tula is the one. Usually the first product they put in is always like the star product. But I just wasn't that excited about any of these, to be honest. Which leads me to my next point. I have actually not renewed for another quarter of the Allure beauty boxes. I just found that, you know, maybe I need a little break from it because I am, once again, very overwhelmed with all the products that I have. And I just kind of feel like, even though I do appreciate that some of these are smaller products and I can like use them and get through them and not like be committed to a full-size product I don't like, I do still have a lot of stuff, and I just feel like I need to take a break for a while. Maybe they'll reel me back in a few months or something, but as far as for now, I have decided to not renew my Allure beauty box, so this will be the last one for a while, maybe forever, I don't know. But as far as the Allure beauty box as a subscription as a whole, I do think it's a pretty good one, especially for the price of it. I think it broke down to being $25. We'll see if I ever find my way back to it. Maybe I'll pick up BoxyCharm for a couple months again and we'll see how that goes. I just don't know. I just don't feel that like, yes, I must renew with Allure beauty box. So I do have to say though, it's so much fun getting like a little surprise box every month in the mail, and I will miss that. Hopefully I can take this time to kind of really use up a lot of the stuff that I have. But hey, I've only got one face and I can only use so much product at once, so I think that for now it'll be good to kind of take a little break and revisit it in the future. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.